Ka Meghalaya Assembly Committee on Estimate hapo ka jingalam jong UMLA ka nongpo uba miral bonds hinne ka sngi palay kala lejurep ya ka jingtei na ka benta ka Industrial Training Institute ITI hakas nong Sakwang, Mawkyrwat, Southwest Khasi Hills bat penparu ka jingsngau hun hakaba yadai bat ka jingya shakhmat. Nakaliang chairman ka committee uba miral bonds ulapen paru ya ka jing ang nuad basyan onla ban pentrai kamno pura ya ka ni ka jaka ai jing hikai ni institute. Ulapen paru baki dangsa satang kendiat ki kam ki ba syabar ki ba yadai bat ka line boarding bat ka jing tan Uni chairman ula ai khubleiru ya ka dorbas nong Sakwang halor ka jingno senyang ya ka jaka ka bahe kombasau ekar sya ka Directorate of Employment and Craftsman Training ka bahap hapo ka tanat labor na ka benta ka jingtei ya ka ni ka ITI ya ka ba lakmi lenti bakan penmentoy shibun ya ki samla ka district. Ula pentep ru bakani ka ITI kan ai jinghikai lor ki santli ki jadkam ka baken thup ya ka surface ornamentation technique but embroidery, wireman, office assistant cum computer program, multimedia animation special effect but driver cum mechanic. Kumjo nakaliang udukhat ka committee ubadairu UMLA ka Mawkyrwat uba ranikton lingdo tongkhar ula kedau bagi kena pulie na ka district hakipor ki baladab ki hab banlet chaki waipat ki district na ka benta ki jing pulie jongki. Hindray da ka jingwan jongkane ka ITI ki kena na po Southwest Khasi Hills kinyo jingmentoy shibon lingba kane ka shlam ai jing hikai. Haka juk kapor ukermen ru basyan kane ka ITI kan satray kamno. Haka juk kapor ukermen ru basyan kane ka ITI kan satray kamno. Ki badon lang haka ni ka jinglet jurep ki kentup ya ki dekat ka committee kata uba Adelbert nongrum kamiyani di Shira Wailat Miki Syllad Arbenstone B Marak Damanbat Lamare, Remington Moment, nalor ki he na po Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. Kani ka jinglet jurep ya kani ka ITI, kadairu ka benta ka jinglet jurep ba asngi jong ka estimate committee, syaki Southly ki district ka jela, kata syapo West Jingtei Hills District, East Jingtei Hills District, East Khasi Hills District, but Southwest Khasi Hills.
Committee on Estimate for Meghalaya State Assembly is mandated by the government, by the Assembly to follow up issues, pending project or the ongoing project, especially with regards to the estimate that has been made, whether there are issues with regard to the escalation of rate, or maybe some issues with the estimate, and at the same time to follow up issues that the project has to be completed on time, on stipulated time, and to ensure that the quality of work is to be 100% monitored by the implementing agency. So we are here today to have a first-hand information. In the morning we have visited the Science and Commerce College in Mawkyrwat, funded through the NLSPR Ministry of Donors, which has been, the project has been stopped. And then we had inspected even the intermediate lane, for the construction of intermediate lane of the road right from Mawkyrwat till Wailong. And now we are here in Sakwang for the inspection of this ITI here. We would like to express our sincere thanks to the landowner or the community who have donated land to the Kaman of I. Nagasino, free of cost. Publish good Nagamantajum free. Nambajum Sargar, I could lay door Barshnong Baro. We will not so high in Jaka Umduna Sawakar, Malumala, the long time. Yakabala, I so high in the Jaka, Nagabantaban, Snag in ITI. Lisbon Kiva, but committee but at the same time, special thanks to the Department, Employment and Craftsmen, and then the Peludi building being the implementing agency. And the committee observed, and we find out that it is quite satisfactory that the work is always 100% completed as per the record. We have seen the administrative block, and we have seen the rooms where the practical will be held here, and we have seen the surrounding fencing also has been completed. Even the compound has been properly made. So the committee is happy to see, and we also do give thanks to the contractor also, Abu Singh, who has completed the work. We hope to see that another issue that is still left, make it full functional, as we have said in our inspection inside, where the external electrification, at the same time water supply needs to be in place, and also manpower is already in place for sanctioning of manpower. No? And we would like to see that as soon as possible, and the committee also will submit a report, and if there is any issue from the department concerned that you want to flag off, any issue with regards to the completion of this project, you can flag off now. We'll take cognizance of the issue that you will be raised here in front of us, and also other issue from the Peludi building also, if there is any issue, and also from the district administration also. So on this note, and we are happy to see that all the 5 trades that has been prepared to be made fully functional here. We'll hope to see the light of the day. Kani kalau jingtei na kamanta ki pa an song jong the Southwest Hill District ba Mawkyrwat ni district kiba pada slam tham no slam aragar khatar bala ni kini district ban mantai la yo kini ITI ka ba itna nang tong jingtei jeng ki kun samla jong dong ba ka ban training yalade ha kini ki santli kini snatrikam kibaka Department jongka Employment and Craftsmen la de banbu ha kaneka jaka kumbala apa sutu kini ki trade ki badan hang ni ki nagamanta ka surface ornamentation technique but embroidery and sujan nang ta kini ki wireman ban snalan nang ta kaneka OACP kaneka full form gadi kamnum tu office assistant computer program nangta kapasaw gring multimedia animation special effect nangta kapasan gring driver kom mechanic kini kidi kibagi samla kini yo ban kijing kai ba per nang ni kan lo majung toy nang banta jong ki nok chong chnong jong kan ni ka district kabi ki jongi Southwest Hill apo jong ni headquarter Mawkyrwat apo Sakwang nang ni di kalong gajing tiban ka ba komiti bi nyawan ha kan ni ka por nginda ban dokumen bangi ba
I want to say that I'm happy to see that this institution here has come up to the stage that we are here today, at the stage of completion of the construction. I'm very, very happy to express my sincere thanks to the department for sanctioning this project, this institution out here, the Peludi building, for executing this work properly, and the contractor as well. Even though we understand that there are some remaining part that is to take over, the contractor to hand over to the Peludi building and building to hand over to the department. So this remaining part, I will request you to process and to complete as early as possible. We want to see the light of the day, and that is to function this institute. Our students from here, they are still taking the learning from outside the district as of today, and we are hopeful that as soon as this institute start from here, you will get many students who would like to join here, and I know that you will have the space will not be sufficient to accommodate all the students. Therefore, I want to request once again that let us work together to ensure that we start functioning this institute as early as possible and as planned. We understand that there are some reasons, some excuses that we may say that we still need electricity, we still need water supply, but I want to tell you one thing, that you will not get 100% to have everything at one go. Therefore, let us bear with all these insufficient things that are still there, short the basic needs that are still there. Because we know that we will be able to complete to get everything only when we have staff in place out here. Because the staff who will be working here, they will be responsible and they will work, they will run to find out for the need of this institution. Therefore, I want to request that because you have seen the electricity, even though we know that external electricity is still needed to be, the work need to be done. But luckily, we have this electric pole here nearby this institute. Therefore, it will not cost that much because we have already had here. And the water also, you have seen that we are standing here, but there are water around us. So the water also not much problem. We can arrange temporarily. And fortunately, also the work is going on in full swing now. Our IDF water supply scheme are there from PHE development to give water to each and every house of this village, Sakwang, 3 villages here. And I hope PHE can manage to keep this institute also one pipe, because this scheme is under our IDF. Therefore, let us hope that everything, the need, the basic need of this institution will be available very soon. Therefore, I want to encourage once again to the department that as you have planned to start the functioning of this institute, let us go ahead with that. And I request you once again to complete all the formalities so that we see that this institute will start as early as possible.